Good morning, students. Already we saw what is meant by emulsification as well as de-emulsification. Now let us discuss what are the de-emulsification techniques which is used for de-emulsification. Okay. First it is distilling of one component. So by using distillation we can de-emulsify it. Next, adding an electrolyte. Once when we are adding electrolyte, it will destroy the charge. By using that we can do the de-emulsification. Third thing, by destroying the emulsifier using various chemical methods. Okay. Next, using solvent extraction to remove the component. After that, by freezing one of its components also, we can use this de-emulsification technique for de-emulsification. Okay. So 5 techniques. First, it is distilling of one component. Next, adding an electrolyte. Next, destroying the emulsifier. After that, using solvent extraction method. After that, by freezing, we can use the de-emulsification. We can do the de-emulsification. Even by applying centrifugal force also, we can do the de-emulsification. After that, what they are doing? By adding dehydrating agents. Dehydrating agents in the sense removal of water. P2O5, already we discussed, no? P2O5, KHSO4. That kind of dehydrating agents also we can use it for water in oil type emulsion. Okay. After that, by using ultrasonic waves, finally by heating also at high pressure, when you heat, we can do this de-emulsification. Okay. So, de-emulsification techniques. We are using 9 different techniques for de-emulsification. Okay. Next, it is inversion of phase. Inversion means what? Water in oil emulsion can be converted into oil in water emulsion. Same manner, oil in water emulsion can be converted into water in oil emulsion. That only we are saying it as inversion of phases. By using emulsifying agent, we can convert from one form to another form. After that, we'll discuss about various applications of colloids. Where we are using these colloids? Even food items. Food items also, we saw that it is in colloidal form. Medicines, it is very important. Antibiotics, it is given no. Penicillin, streptomycin, that is produced in colloidal form. Colloidal gold and colloidal calcium are used as tonics, it is given no. Underline that. Even milk of magnesia, that only we are saying it as gelusil digin. That is used for stomach troubles. Silver salt protected by gelatin, that is we are saying it as argyrol. Even that may be as just one word also. What is argyrol means? Silver salt protected by gelatin, we are saying it as argyrol. Okay. Even in industries we are using this colloids for water purification. See, medicines, water purification, both it is very important. For purifying the water, we are adding aluminium ions, Al3 plus, alumina. That is used to coagulate. After coagulation, impurities will be removed. We can get pure water. Even in washing also, we are using this emulsion technique. After that, tanning of leather. Tanning of leather to a certain extent, it is important. How that is how coagulation takes place by means of oppositely charged particles. Even chromium salts also we are using for this purpose. Both of them it is very important, ma'am. Even in rubber industry we are using emulsion. Okay. Sewage disposal, including the diagram how that primary treatment takes place, secondary treatment, that we'll discuss. Only they gave what are the things present in the sewage. By passing electric current, that waste it is deposited. That wastages we are using it as manure. Then they gave Cottrell precipitator, that is carbon dust in air. that is solidified by using this Cottrell precipitator. If we apply electric current over that, oppositely charged particles migrate that, so that charges gets discharged. Okay. That blue color of the sky, in nature it is due to Tyndall effect is given, no? Underline that. Okay. Next, formation of delta. Formation of delta, that is nothing but electrolyte in sea and river water that is getting coagulated. So only we are getting fertile land. Okay. Finally, analytical application. That is, even in qualitative and quantitative analysis, even there also colloids play a key role. Okay. With this, we'll complete this lesson, students. Okay. After quarterly, just revise it. We'll keep the class test. Okay. Thank you, students. Prepare well for your quarterly exam.